Hi all, this is Abhay Mahajan and I welcome you all to this amazing series called Inmo Question of the Day, where we are discussing another important question of geometry. So let us discuss this one, guys, and this is a very interesting question based out of angle chasing purely. So the question says, given an isosceles triangle ABC and assume that AB is equal to AC, the midpoint of side BC is denoted by M. Let X be a variable point on the shorter arc MA of the circumcircle of the triangle ABM. Let T be a point in the angle domain BMA for which angle TMX is 90 degrees and TX is equal to BX. Prove that angle MTB minus angle CTM does not depend on X. तो बच्चों पहले तो pause this video, look at this question carefully and draw the diagram. Let us draw the diagram. Let us, you can pause this video right away. You can draw the diagram and then see what the diagram looks like. So let me help you with the diagram. So we have AB is equal to AC. So this is a triangle. AB is equal to AC. So ABC, AB is equal to AC. Okay. What we have? Midpoint is denoted by M. So this is the midpoint. And let's say this is M. Let us join AM. Obviously, this will be 90 degrees. What else? Let X be a variable point on the shorter arc MA on the circumcircle of triangle ABM. तो ABM का circumcircle draw किया जाए पहले तो. So this will be a circumcircle of triangle ABM. Circumcircle of ABM, obviously this is 90 degrees, so this AB will be the diameter of that circle. What else? What else can we find? X is a variable point on the shorter arc MA. So MA का जो shorter arc है यहाँ पे let's say there is a point X. Okay, we marked X. What else? Let T be a point in the angle domain BMA. So BMA angle domain ये है, तो यहाँ पर इस तरफ कोई point है T, such that angle TMX. So TMX is 90 degrees. So if we join this, and T will be somewhere here, and also TX is equal to BX. TX is equal to BX. So T should be somewhere here. TX and BX same hai, so T should be somewhere here, such that this and BX are exactly same. Let us join this as well. So TX is equal to BX, it is given to us with this angle 90 degrees as well. Okay. Now we need to prove that angle MTB, let us see what angle would this be. Angle MTB, so this angle, let's say this is alpha, and angle CTM, so if I join, let's say this angle is beta. So I need to prove that alpha minus beta does not depend on the point X. So X is a variable point and X can vary. It can be any point in this arc MA. So whatever the X point is, obviously T point will also vary. ये जो angle है alpha minus beta, ये हमेशा एक constant रहेगा. It will not depend on where the point X is. So this is what we need to prove. So now this is a simple question on, not a simple question, but a good question on angle chasing. So this involves only and only angle chasing. So I'll ask you to pause the video here and try to do it yourself before I give you a hint. All right. So guys, the hint is find a point, say y here on n here, such that y is a midpoint of BT. Y is a midpoint of BT and XY को join कर दो, so that ये angle भी 90 degrees है, because we know that TX और BX same है and this is an isosceles triangle. So if Y is the midpoint of BT and if we join XY, XY will be perpendicular to BT. So this is a hint. Now again you can pause this video for some time, see if you can chase some angles, and then find the value of alpha and beta and then prove that this does not depend on the point X. All right. So let us have the diagram with us. So MTB minus CTM. So let us draw the diagram. So this is the enlarged diagram. So we need to prove that angle MTB minus angle CTM. So MTB minus CTM. So let's say this angle is alpha, this angle is beta. So alpha minus beta, this is something that we need to prove that this is independent of the point X, which is on the circumcircle. Now, so what do we have? Now, since this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees, so can I say that TN MX are concyclic? The points T and MX are concyclic because TX subtends 90 degrees at N and TX also subtends 90 degrees at M. So since these two angles are 90 degrees, so T and MX are concyclic in nature. So this is one thing. Also M is a midpoint. So we have M is a midpoint of BC and N is a midpoint of TB. M is a midpoint of TB. So can I say NM is also parallel to CT? NM is parallel to CT by midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. So since N is a midpoint of BT and M is a midpoint of BC, can I say NM is always parallel to BC? Right. So what do we have? What do we have? तो अगर ये एंगल बीटा है बच्चों, तो बोल सकता हूँ ये वाला एंगल भी बीटा है. Alternate interior angles. And अगर ये एंगल अल्फा है, so can I also say ये एंगल भी अल्फा है? Because NM is subtending angle T, angle alpha at T, and NM should subtend same angle at X because T and MX concyclic है, right? What else? What else do we have? So अगर ये बीटा है, TN is subtending angle beta at M, so TN will also subtend beta at X because T and MX concyclic है. So अगर ये एंगल बीटा है, ये एंगल भी बीटा है. Also, if we look at triangle TBX, XN divides these two triangles into two congruent triangles. So अगर ये एंगल बीटा है, ये एंगल भी बीटा होगा. Because these two triangles, कौन से? Triangle TNX is congruent to triangle BNX. BNX. So अगर ये एंगल बीटा है तो ये एंगल भी बीटा होगा. So effectively alpha minus beta. So can I say would be this? Let us name this angle as theta. So alpha minus beta is actually theta. And if we look at it, this theta will be same as this. Because BM subtends angle theta at X and BM should subtend same angle at A because A, B, M, X are concyclic. So that means this is actually angle BAM, which is a fixed angle for this triangle. Because angle ABC was the original triangle, and since M is a midpoint, angle BAM is half the angle A, which is actually half of angle A, overall angle BAC. And since BAC is a fixed angle because the triangle ABC was fixed, and I can say that alpha minus beta, or these difference of these two angles, does not really depend on the point X, and hence we are done. I hope you've enjoyed this lovely question. It was purely based out of angle chasing, a bit of construction there, and it was purely a question of angle chasing. And these are the questions, these are the kind of questions which you need to get comfortable with if you are to score good score in INMO. Take care.